Welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you block hashtags into your Instagram. To do so, you firstly have to open your Instagram application. And after opening the application, just select the specific hashtag that you don't want to see. After selecting the hashtags, you can choose many of the options here. But still, you don't find any option to block the specific hashtag that you don't want to see. This means Instagram doesn't give any option for you to block the hashtags. In this case, you can give feedback for the hashtag you don't want to see. To do that, just simply click to three dot button and after that, click to this give feedback on this hashtag button. After clicking there, just simply select any of the reason to not liking this hashtag and after selecting the reason, click to the next button. After this, Instagram will review your request if it's genuine or not. This way, you can stop the hashtag that you don't want to see specifically. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.